Welcome to the DragonForce incident creation tutorial, where I'll be demonstrating how to create an incident on the DragonForce web application. Once you're logged into DragonForce, open the Group Incident Manager, then select Create New Incident. Type in the name of the incident, then click the check mark to confirm. Select the new incident, then open the Member Manager tool. You are now the incident commander signified by the gold star, meaning you can manage any subgroup within the incident. Additionally, you can broadcast text messages to all members of the incident. To add your deputy incident commanders, tick the boxes of the preferred users, then hit the arrow to add them to the incident. These Silver Star users will help you command the incident. Once you've compiled your team, click the check mark to confirm. An incident is comprised of subgroups, so to add subgroups to the incident, click the Create New Subgroup icon under the Group Incident Manager tool. Type in the subgroup name, then click the check mark when you're done. Under the new subgroup, open the Member Manager tool. As you can see, the Incident Commander and the Deputy Incident Commanders are automatically members of the subgroup. To add members to your new subgroup, tick the boxes of the preferred users. Then hit the arrow to add them to the subgroup. These users are the group members of the subgroup within the incident. They can be promoted to Assistant Group Manager by clicking the user's crown, or Group Manager by right-clicking on the user and selecting Transfer Manager Position. These roles, Group Manager and Assistant Group Manager, allow the user to operate the subgroup of which they are members. Once you've gathered your team, hit the check mark to confirm. You've now completed the incident creation tutorial. For more information or to check out more DragonForce content, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.